Is your marketing strategy consistently hitting your sales and revenue goals? If not, then it's time to audit the most important part of your marketing strategy. In this video, we'll go into the deepest parts of the marketing funnel, the middle and the bottom. I'm Jason from Visme, helping you design better for your business. Let's dive in. First, let's cover the basics. What exactly is a marketing funnel? A marketing funnel is essentially your roadmap that helps businesses guide potential customers through a journey with your brand. It starts by capturing their attention, then nurturing them with valuable content, and finally converting them into, hopefully, paying customers. The funnel approach ensures that businesses aren't wasting money on unnecessary marketing. Instead, you're strategically leading prospects towards a purchase, step by step. A marketing funnel also allows you to better understand where your future and potential customers are stuck. What are their pain points? By identifying and resolving their bottlenecks or problems with your marketing communications through your operations, you can move those prospects down your funnel to generate more revenue. This understanding lets you create targeted, effective campaigns that hit the mark. Additionally, a funnel helps you choose the right marketing tools for each stage, so you're using your resources efficiently and effectively. Now, let's break down the funnel into its 4 key stages. You have the awareness stage, the interest stage, consideration, and finally conversion. Each of these represent a critical step in your customer's journey from first learning about your business to finally becoming a paying customer. At the top of the funnel, we have the awareness stage. This is where potential customers first become aware of your brand. They might not know exactly what they need yet, but they're starting to recognize their problems. Your goal here is to educate and inform them. You can articulate the problem better than they can. You are exposing them to the brand and having them associate you as a problem solver to the solution to said problem. You can do this by offering valuable content like blog posts, videos, or social media that addresses your audience's needs. Remember, you're not trying to sell here. You're only trying to build trust by providing value for your audience. Next is the interest stage. At this point, prospects have moved beyond simple awareness. Now they're actively researching and considering their options. This is where you need to appear the most and be noticed as the authority or key player in your niche. Start nurturing their interest by providing deeper, more valuable content. Think how-to guides, in-depth blog posts, or educational videos, like the one you're watching right now. What's critical here is that your content should not feel salesy. Your focus should still be on helping prospects understand their problem, the various solutions and typical outcomes in the market, and you should be positioning your brand as the solution. By the time they hit the consideration stage of the funnel, prospects have become qualified leads. They're comparing their options, and they're close to making a purchasing decision. Now's the time to offer lead magnets, like free trials, discounts, or detailed product guides. Showcasing testimonials and case studies can really help influence the prospect's decision making. Finally, we have the conversion stage of the marketing funnel. And this is where the magic happens. After nurturing your leads, they're ready to make a purchase. Your job now is to seal the deal by making the process as smooth as possible by providing the most value. Provide personalized offers or even create a sense of urgency with limited time discounts. But don't stop there. After the purchase, focus on customer retention to ensure you're building a strong, long-term relationship. Now that we've walked through the 4 main stages of the funnel, now we're going to take those 4 stages and turn them into the 3 main sections of the funnel. First, you have the top of the funnel, or tofu. Then you have the middle of the funnel, or MOFU, and then finally you have the bottom of the funnel, also known as BOFU. The top of the funnel is where you generate your initial awareness. Here, your prospects are unfamiliar with your brand, and your goal is to capture their attention and create that demand. This is the hardest part of the funnel, but it lays down the groundwork for capturing demand and generating those leads down the line. In the middle of the funnel, the prospect has started to interact with your content, maybe visited your website, maybe they raised their hand for more info, but they're just not ready to purchase yet. The goal at this stage is to turn the viewer or visitor into a lead. Finally, you have the bottom of the funnel, which is all about converting those leads into customers. These individuals are ready to buy, but they just need that final nudge forward towards it. Here you focus on conversion and closing, and here you can even increase your revenue via upselling, downselling, cross-selling other products, and higher terms or packages. It's vital to understand that each part of the funnel is important in their own right. This is why the top of the funnel still matters. Some businesses think that they can skip the top of the funnel stage entirely and focus only on high intent prospects through the middle and bottom of funnel stages. But while this might seem efficient, it can actually be quite costly. High intent keywords typically come with high cost per click rates, which can seriously eat into your marketing budget. Instead, focus on nurturing your top of funnel prospects. This allows you to capture their attention throughout the entire market, that specific persona you're targeting, segment, or niche. This will help you create more demand and build loyalty and trust earlier on in the process. You can build brand awareness and trust with these prospects so that when they're ready to make a purchase, your business is top of mind. But what really drives your leads down your sales pipeline and turns people from aware of your brand to actually becoming a prospect in the lower points of the funnel? So let's take a closer look at the middle of funnel stage, or MOFU stage. This is where you need to really build trust and position your brand as the ideal solution for that prospect. Your content at this stage should be educational, personalized, and persuasive. You want to address your audience's specific pain points and offer solutions. These are key elements that you can use in that MOFU stage. Have a problem-solution focus. Address the specific challenges your prospects face and show how your product or service solves them. Sell the vacation. Really communicate the actionable benefits or solutions that you can provide. Provide differentiation. Highlight what makes your offerings stand out from your competitors. Even though you're a player, answer the question of what you can do that no one else can. Then you want to focus on personalization. Tailor your content based on your prospect's industry or unique needs. But you can only educate and entertain your audience so much. You need to start getting them on track to actually make a purchase. This is where we get into the bottom of the marketing funnel. By this point, your prospects have done their research, identified their options, and are ready to make a purchase. However, they may still need some convincing. In fact, they do need convincing because they haven't selected you yet. Bottom of funnel marketing efforts should focus on making the buying process as easy and as seamless as possible. The majority of touch points should have happened earlier in the funnel to filter out any disqualified leads. This is where you want to minimize friction and reduce any unnecessary barriers to completing that buy. This is where compelling offers and strong CTAs come into play. At this stage, it's also essential to track and measure your conversion rates and your return on ad spend. By optimizing your campaigns here, you can improve the performance of the entire funnel. At the bottom of the funnel stage, you can use it as an opportunity to increase your AOV or revenue. Focus on upselling, add-ons, or other monetization strategies to drive new customers deeper into your product ladder and increase your POS revenue, your LTV, or retention propensity. To ensure that your bottom of funnel strategies are working, it's important to track key metrics. This is where you need to focus on customer acquisition. How many customers are you actually acquiring from your marketing strategies? What is the purchase volume? How many purchases are actually happening from that campaign? What is the average size transaction? How much are customers spending on average? Are they making repeat purchases? How often are your customers coming back? What is your customer retention and churn rate? How long do customers stay with your business, especially if you're a subscription model? By monitoring these metrics, you can better understand how effective your bottom of funnel strategies are and identify areas for improvement. But all of this theory is great, but how do we actually apply strategies in the real world to execute middle of funnel and bottom of funnel campaigns that actually drive sales? This is where you need to look at marketing strategies that actually execute these campaigns. Once you've developed your middle of funnel content, it's time to promote it. Here are two main strategies that you can use. You can utilize email marketing. If you've captured emails during the top of funnel stage, now is the time to send personalized, targeted emails with your middle of funnel content, such as case studies or product comparisons. You can utilize paid advertising. Use Facebook or Google ads to direct prospects who have engaged with your top of funnel content to your middle of funnel landing pages. In order for your marketing funnel to be truly effective, marketing and sales teams need to work closely together. Marketing teams provide valuable insights through lead scoring and track prospect activity, like emails that they've opened or what content they've downloaded. Sales teams, on the other hand, can use that data to further qualify those leads and reach out at the right moment. At the bottom of the funnel, high-intent ad campaigns are crucial. You want to use high-value keywords that target prospects who are ready to buy. These high-intent keywords can lead prospects to a landing page. They can fill out a form and provide all the details that they need in order to be closer to purchasing a product. You can then follow up with them to make sure that that service met their needs, and hopefully you have a customer for life. By focusing on each stage of the funnel, whether it's the TOFU, MOFU, or even BOFU, you can create a seamless experience for your prospects from first learning about your brand to finally making that purchase. And remember, the key to success is just to keep the funnel simple. If you've watched our videos before, you know that you need to keep everything simple. No matter whether it's marketing, design, sales, keep everything simple and you will win out in the end. Don't overcomplicate the process and always focus on providing value at each stage. That should be your North Star, providing value to whoever your prospect might be. Because at the end of the day, you want to focus on giving more than you can potentially receive. That is how you build trust. And if you need help creating content for your phases of the marketing funnel, try Visme. It's our all-in-one content creation platform designed specifically to help you create engaging marketing assets for your business. You can try it today at the link down below. I'm Jason from Visme, helping you design better for your business.